Here's Andy eating some sushi. Oh man,
Sushi mama.
You're dangerous. You put that right on there? Ooh, I gotta mix mine up inside the.
That's a little much.
Yeah. I like to just eat this myself.
You're more
Happy
ginger.
birthday, MJ.
More Marianne. Hi. Happy birthday to me.
We are at Hiro Sushi for MJ's little birthday gathering, and we're having a little sushi. I'm having some California rolls with some, I can't remember what he called it, roe, that's what it was. And I'm having a couple of crab rangoon, or as Kira would say, crab langoon. And we're drinking, whoops, I'm going to turn that around. And we're drinking some water. So I don't know if this is going to be official dinner. Is this our dinner? It's more of a snack, huh? Oh well, might just be dinner. See ya.